Hello! Today I want to show you our latest release called Notification Center. This section allows you to receive daily, weekly or monthly reports for the apps of your choosing. Those reports will be sent to your email. Not only that, but you can also mention other emails of your friends, colleagues, and so on. Also, if you're new to the platform, you'll automatically receive daily reports for all the apps added. You can delete a report by pressing this button. And once you enter the section, all you need to do is press Create a Report button. As you can see, your email will be added by default, but you can also add up to 20 emails. Don't forget to use comma to separate them. Then you simply need to select apps for your report. As you can see, there are 4 sections available: ASO Index, Analysis, Comparative Analysis, and Ratings and Reviews. Let's choose Spotify. I want to receive daily reports for all the sections available. And that's how it's done. You can also check your reports history to see all the previously reports sent. You can also download each and every report in PDF format by pressing this button.